A lot of us are always looking for ways to save money. The Pirate Handyman channel was created to show you how to do basic maintenance and repairs around your house and even on your car without spending a ton of your treasure. The Pirate Handyman is a free channel dedicated to show you how to perform relatively simple repairs that will not only save you money, but will also show you how to get longer life out of some of your major appliances. The Pirate Handyman has videos on plumbing, such as fixing leaking faucets, unclogging drains, and even toilet repair, appliance fixes and maintenance tips on refrigerators, washers and dryers, and dishwashers, and electrical items such as fluorescent ballast replacement, conversion to LED, replacing light switches, and much, much more. We occasionally even have a little fun in the process. So come and join our crew and learn how to become self-sufficient and save coin for your treasure chest. Here's to smooth sailing.